Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Happy Mom DIY. I picked up this Black+decor car vacuum, cordless flex car vacuum from Costco. And in Costco it is priced at $49.99. I think it's a new product. This is the first time I saw it in Costco and I was looking in the market for a car vacuum. I know it's a bit pricey, like around $50, but still it will work well, so I thought let me try it out. So this is Black+decor brand and it says clean, hard to reach areas, and it says it's pro performance, and it looks like it's a rechargeable, so it says lithium ion and strong suction. And these are the accessories included, and looks like this is the model number HFVAB320JC26, in case if you want to do some additional research online before purchasing this product. On the box they have put the picture of a lady cleaning the car seat, and looks like you can carry it in your hand because it's cordless, and looks like it has a flex tool, it can reach the corners, and a soft brush where you can use to clean the AC vents and so on. These are the tools. Looks like this is the flex tool. So it can reach the corners, blend and flex. Nice. And this is the regular narrow head tool to reach the hooks and corners. It's good too. And we have this brush. And this one. Oh. Nice. This is the charger, cordless charger. Awesome. Looks like, you guys see the pin, it looks a bit different. Looks like this is the storage bag for the accessories. They have the instruction manual. Here comes the star of the show, the vacuum. Yep, it's probably kind of weighs around like 3 pounds, like a gallon of milk, weight of a gallon of milk. Sorry guys, I'm holding the camera in one hand and I'm filming as I open. Yep, it looks like this. It looks like there is a charging point. Yep, this is it. And what does it say about the filter? It says it has a clear canister to empty, and it is a compact design. Yes, of course it's compact. Oh, here comes the filter. It says it's a washable filter, which is good. So they say it's a 4 feet of flexible hose for cleaning. Okay, so this must come out. Yep, it comes out like this. Just nice. So this is the place that you open and clean out the trash. In case if you want to remove the filter and wash, you have to remove it from here and wash it, which is good. And after store using, you can just wind the cord around this and take it around like this, and not in use, and just yep, it goes like this. So I'm going to put it in charge and see how it works. Where's the power switch? It should be this one. Oh, this is the thing. It works. It has some charge. Yep. After using this vacuum for a couple of times inside my car, I wanted to try and see how useful it is around the house. I tried it out and it was really pretty handy to vacuum the staircase area as well as the sliding door and the window tracks, which made my job easier because this is a lightweight vacuum, easy to carry around and vacuum. So pretty much it's not only a car vacuum, you can use it around your house too. One of the best features of this car vacuum is the flexible long hose. It makes vacuuming a lot easier when compared to the other vacuums. The first time I charged this vacuum for around 2 to 3 hours and the battery lasted around for 10 to 12 minutes. It was not long enough to clean my entire SUV. On the second time I charged this vacuum for 8 to 10 hours. I did it overnight and the charge lasted around for 20 to 25 minutes, long enough to vacuum the entire SUV. And all the tools that has come with this car vacuum served its purpose, and I was pretty pleased the second time when I used this vacuum. Overall, this is a very good vacuum to have in case if you have pet or if you have kids and if you travel with the kids all the time in your car. This is a very good vacuum to have on hand, and it's not heavy, so it's easy to carry and maneuver around. Overall, it's a very good vacuum and I would say it's a good buy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe, and have a good day. See you until next time. Bye bye.